Fills me with strength every day. Fills me with strength. Fills me with strength again.